Hold up. I want to show y'all something. Here is the proof that I'm making around $5,000 a month on YouTube. I got monetized on YouTube in September 2020. It was towards the end of the month. As you can see, we made about $255. But if you look at every month after that, October, November, December, January, we were absolutely killing it. In February, we got hit with the power grid crisis down here in Texas. I got COVID, all that other stuff, so we wasn't able to make as many videos. You see it went down, but in March, we came right back. And this month in April, we probably gonna do $6,000 to $7,000. So, a lot of people talk about how much money they make on YouTube and how to do this and how to do that, but y'all know I only talk about stuff that I know. So here is the proof that I know what I'm talking about on how to get this 5Gs a month on YouTube. So if you somebody who is serious about getting this YouTube money where it can become extra income as a side hustle, or maybe it's how you leave your job altogether, you need to stay locked into this video. You also need to hit like, need to hit share, need to comment, because all that helps the algorithm and it helps me make more money. So go do that right now.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82Music.com, and right here I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 a month on YouTube. Now, at this point in the video, if you watch these on other channels, this is when they explain their life story and talk about how they were leaving their job because they were unhappy and they couldn't believe that people were making this much money on YouTube, and they watched this guy and they watched this girl and it changed their life. Only reason they telling you all that because they trying to get that video to 8 minutes so they can put more ads in there. My video gonna be over 8 minutes anyway because I got good information. So we're gonna get right to it. The first step, if you want to make $5,000 a month on YouTube, is you need to listen to me, okay? You gotta listen to me. I've actually done this. I'm living this right now. And when I tell you that I am busy on social media all day, I'm there all day long. But I usually only use the tools that are offered within that social media platform that I'm using. On YouTube, this is different. This is the only social media tool that I use, and it's called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is hands down the best tool I've ever seen in the social media realm. I'm not playing. They aren't paying for promotion in this video. I'm talking about it because it's dope. Did they give me an affiliate link? You're damn right they did. But it is still dope. With TubeBuddy, you can see where your tags are ranking on Google and YouTube. You can see what video topics are good and how much of the search volume they got, how much competition they got. You can go to other people's channels, see how many views and videos and uploads they have and subscribers they have and tags they've used and what worked and what didn't work. TubeBuddy analyze your thumbnail and tell you why it's trash. TubeBuddy will do a demonetization check. So if you got a bunch of videos on your channel that you need to submit for a manual review, they'll do it all at once. If you need to bulk replace some sort of comment or some sort of text inside of your video or description box, you can do that with just a couple of buttons. TubeBuddy will back up all your videos. Bro, TubeBuddy is dope and it's free. You install that thing right now for free on your computer. You click the link right there, www.tubebuddy.com/Dorian Group 82, and you can download it for free. It's in the description box below, and I'm probably gonna add it to the link in the bio because TubeBuddy is that dope. On top of that, if you want the paid version of TubeBuddy, which I highly suggest, if you're trying to get this 5Gs a month, you need to invest a little $10, $20, $40 to get this TubeBuddy. If you got less than 1,000 subscribers, which everybody starts at that point at one time, they're gonna give you TubeBuddy for 50% off right now. For the value that TubeBuddy is gonna bring to your channel and how much of a better YouTuber is gonna make you, bro, that's a hell of a deal. And on top of that, TubeBuddy has an outstanding affiliate program. The moment you sign up for TubeBuddy, they automatically give you an affiliate link, and anybody who signs up under you, you get a 30% commission. I want y'all to listen to what I just said. The moment you sign up for TubeBuddy, they're gonna give you an affiliate link. And anybody that signs up using your link, you get a 30% commission. TubeBuddy is a monthly service. So that means every month that person is with TubeBuddy who signed up under your affiliate link, you're gonna get 30% of what they spend. So let's say you got a $20 a month TubeBuddy license. You click the link, I'm gonna get $6 a month every month in perpetuity. Once you get a certain number of people to sign up, then they get you to 40% commission. Once you get to 250 installs to sign up, then you get 50% commission in perpetuity, and you get TubeBuddy service lifetime for free. Bro, this is the best affiliate program I've ever seen in my life. So not only is TubeBuddy an outstanding and dope product, if you are a creator like myself and you make a bunch of videos, it's a way for you to make great residual income. Click the link, TubeBuddy.com/DorianGroup82. Get me that affiliate install, get me that affiliate purchase, and then once you start posting your videos, hope everybody starts clicking your TubeBuddy too, because TubeBuddy gonna have you popping. Go install TubeBuddy right now. Like, for real, like, pause the video, go to your computer, TubeBuddy.com/DorianGroup82. Second step, you want to get 5 G's a month on YouTube. You got to post every single day. If you don't post every single day, you don't stand a chance out here. There are too many YouTubers who have these massive audiences where when they post once a week, once every month, or however, they're gonna dwarf you. But when you post every single day, you are in front of the audience every single day. You are on YouTube's algorithm every single day. You are hitting Google searches and pinging them every single day. And all it takes is for one of your videos to get a little bit of traction, and people are gonna start watching your other videos too. The more videos you put out, the more views you get. The more views you get, the higher your watch time is. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, you get 4,000 hours of watch time, and you have no copyright strikes, you can get monetized. And all those videos you put out every single day are going to start making you money, residual income, and perpetuity without you having to do nothing, because Google is the #1 search engine in the world. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. So when people want to go find a topic, they're going to go there, they're going to look at your videos, and you get paid. Post every day. You watch ESPN every day. You watch CNBC every day. You watch the E! Network every day. They got something new on there every single day. And they show reruns. They talk about the same topics, but they remix it, and you keep coming back every single day. Treat your YouTube channel the same way you treat TV channels. You want loyalty to your YouTube channel like there's loyalty to TV channels. And the only way you do that is if you consistently give them content. You post every single day, you're going to be 99% of the YouTubers out here. You're not going to beat my ass because I'm posting every day, but you're going to beat a lot of them. On top of that, if you ain't got time to post every single day because you edit your own videos, it's difficult. YouTube community. Almost every single Instagram post or Twitter post that I put on those platforms, I put in my YouTube community as well. YouTube community has polls. Polls do really, really good in YouTube community. They got YouTube Shorts now where you can have shorter videos, like 1 minute, and they'll push that. They got a YouTube story now where it's like Snapchat or Instagram or TikTok where you can put 15-second videos in there. This is you still posting on YouTube every day and engaging with your audience every single day, and YouTube pushes your content that works to bring people to you. It's the best social media platform out, hands down. Make sure you posting every single day. And number 3, the final step, if you want to make 5 G's a month on YouTube, is gotta go live. People scared to go live. I come from the land of Periscope. You had to go live to keep an audience. And Facebook Live, IG Live is kind of slow. YouTube Live is really, really good. Why? Because people like looking at folks on YouTube do nothing or talk to the screen. And it's a great way to engage with your audience. When I go live, I use a software called StreamYard. There's an affiliate link for that as well in the description box next to TubeBuddy. Make sure you download that goddamn TubeBuddy. And StreamYard is a software I pay like $25 a month. It allows me to go live on Facebook, on YouTube, and on LinkedIn simultaneously. It allows me to put comments up on the screen. It allows me to see who's super chat or who's super stickered. It allows me to share my screen if I want to show a Google search or some video or something. StreamYard's really, really dope, and it keeps me organized. So click the link in the description box after you install TubeBuddy, and make sure you go get StreamYard too. Going live is probably the secret sauce to making money on YouTube, and I'm gonna show y'all how. So let's look at this screenshot right here. And in this screenshot right here, you're able to see that in September, October, November, December, and January, my estimated revenue. That's the total revenue that I made for that month. My estimated ad revenue is the revenue that I made from from ads inside of the video. So anytime somebody clicked the ad or they looked at it. So like I told y'all, September, I just got monetized. It was like 3 days, so we ain't gonna count that. So let's go straight to October. In October of 2020, my estimated revenue was $8,625.07. But from ads, I only made $5,727.28. So what does that mean? That means that almost $3,000 was made somewhere else. Where was that made? I can tell you where it was made. Going live. We had Spotify showcases, super chats, super stickers. People wanted to ask questions. They wanted to listen to their music, and they paid, and we were able to make $3,000 just from going live. November, December, and January is the exact same way. You see, I'm making an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month just because I'm going live. And when you go live, if you make sure that you follow all the YouTube rules and protocol, once you get done, you can turn on ads for that video too. So not only will you get to super chats and the super stickers, you'll also be able to get the ad money and monetize all your live streams. There's no reason not to go live, and I don't know why more people don't do it. I don't care, but this is why I'm able to make $5,000 a month off of YouTube, and they are posting every single day and they making, 16 cents or whatever the hell it is. So, I wasn't taking YouTube serious. I didn't care. I thought it was dumb. I thought I had to have I didn't think it was dumb. I'm lying. I thought I had to have this extravagant videos and sets and all that. I didn't think I was good enough to really be a YouTuber. And if it wasn't for somebody on the Instagram pond telling me to post the videos inside of YouTube so they can find them easy because YouTube search feature is better, I'd have never came over here. You can see the money that I've made in 7 months, $41,269.45. It's a side hustle. I probably spend 10 hours a month doing YouTube stuff, if that. And most of that is TubeBuddy. Most of that is me picking tags and going through and seeing what topics work and setting templates and all that. So it really ain't a lot of work for me to make this money. If you follow exactly what I'm saying, you need to do this. This is a great way for you to put supplemental income in your pocket. So like I said, download TubeBuddy, download StreamYard, post every day, go live, put your YouTube channels in the comments, let everybody know what your YouTube channel is about. Maybe y'all can do some cross collaborations. It's a great way for us to get subscribers in here. But I'm gonna tell y'all one more time, if you were serious about this YouTube sauce, www.tubebuddy.com/DorianGroup82. It's in the description box below. I'm gonna put it in the link in the bio. I love y'all. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true about that.